Arsenal have lost 3 of their last 4 Premier League games. Arsenal chief Edu is apparently set to fly to Italy next week in an attempt to lure Juventus winger Dejan Kulusevski to the Emirates Stadium. Kulusevski looks likely to leave Turin in January after seeing his game time slashed since the return of manager Max Allegri in the summer. Juventus shelled out £29.7 million to sign the winger from Atalanta in January. Kulusevski was on loan at Parma at the time of his transfer and stayed put until the end of the campaign, before making his debut for the Old Lady 8 months later. Last season he played 47 games for Juventus under Andrea Pirlo and started the bulk of his team's matches. But this season he has regularly been forced to settle for a place on the bench. Juventus were thought to be open to the idea of using the 21-year-old as a bargaining chip in their pursuit of Fiorentina striker Dusan Vlahovic. But La Viola are apparently unwilling to entertain the idea of selling their superstar to a rival Serie A club. Kulusevski is a strong and versatile player and could provide Arsenal with another dimension going forward. The Gunners have struggled to create chances at times this season and have failed to find the back of the net in a third of their league matches. They are currently averaging just over a goal a game in the Premier League, and boss Mikel Arteta will be keen to improve his side's output during the second half of the campaign. Arsenal suffered one of their worst ever starts to a season as they lost their first 3 games and fell to the bottom of the table. But they then enjoyed a scintillating run of form, where they remained unbeaten for 8 games to climb their way towards the European places. They've slipped up in recent weeks, however, after suffering a 4-0 thrashing at the hands of Liverpool, before going down to Manchester United and Everton. Kulusevski is reportedly being chased by a number of clubs, and Tottenham were thought to be keen on the player.